Before we can start building computer vision applications, we first need to prepare our development environment. In this lesson, we'll install Python, create an isolated project environment, install OpenCV, and verify that everything is working correctly. By the end of this lesson, your computer will be fully configured and ready for the rest of the course. Throughout this course, we'll use Python version 3.12.2 together with OpenCV version 4.12.88. Using the same versions ensures your results closely match mine and helps avoid compatibility issues that can happen when software changes over time. You'll also need a code editor. You can use Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Cursor, Windsurf, or any other editor you prefer. First, let's download and install Python 3.12.2. You can find the official download link from python.org in the video description. During the installation, make sure you enable the option that adds Python to your system path. Path simply tells your operating system where Python is installed, allowing you to run Python from any terminal without typing its full location every time. Once the installation is complete, open a terminal and verify that Python is installed correctly by checking the version. You should see Python 3.12.2. We'll create a virtual environment. A virtual environment is simply an isolated copy of Python dedicated to this project. This keeps the packages we install here separate from your other Python projects, making everything cleaner and preventing version conflicts. On Windows, we'll explicitly create the virtual environment using Python 3.12. This guarantees we're using the correct Python version, even if you have multiple versions installed on your computer. After creating the virtual environment, activate it. Once it's active, you'll usually notice its name appearing at the beginning of your terminal prompt. That's a good indication that you're working inside the virtual environment. Before installing OpenCV, let's verify that we're using the correct Python interpreter. Check the Python version one more time. It should still display Python 3.12.2. Now we're ready to install OpenCV. Run the following command exactly as shown. When the installation finishes, let's verify that OpenCV works correctly. Start the Python interpreter. Import CV2. Then print the OpenCV version. If you see version 4.12.0, congratulations. Your Python environment and OpenCV installation are working perfectly. If you're using Visual Studio Code, it will often detect the virtual environment automatically. If it doesn't, simply open the command palette, choose Python, select Interpreter, and select the interpreter located inside your .venv folder. Your development environment is now fully configured. You've installed Python, created a virtual environment, activated it, installed OpenCV, and confirmed that everything is working correctly. In the next lesson, we'll write our very first OpenCV program, load an image from disk, display it in a window, and see OpenCV come to life. Let's start writing some code.